Good morning everyone, welcome back. Firstly I've got to apologise as usual for the lack of content. Since lockdown has eased I've been back grafting and yeah, there's no rest for the wicked at the minute. I've not had much picking time at all. I've certainly not had no time to make challenge locks or anything like that. So thank you for sticking with me. And to the new ones who have just recently joined, thank you for joining. I hope you stick around. These have probably come following a link from the Southampton Lock Picking Club. They recently give me a shout out. Thank you very much, guys. And before that, UK Lock Picker give me a shout out. I've lent him some locks and he's been destroying them all. I've lent him some of my highest security locks that I own, and he's just, yeah, unbelievable guy. Definitely got to check him out. I am hoping today to get my first Assa picked on camera. I've picked a couple of 600s before, but nothing on camera as yet. I've got this little, it is actually a thumb turn. I've took the thumb turn out. Just to make gutting easier should we get that far. There we go. I've got the cam and everything there. Little bargain off eBay. So it's only a little 5-pin up. Let's see if we can get it open. I have opened it once before. Wasn't very easy. I do believe it has the barrels and the countermilling in the core. That's bitting on the key. Right, let's see if it's going to open for me. Let's try counterclockwise. Let's see. I must apologise for the mess. I've also not had much time to tidy up either. The missus is not happy. Alright. Nothing on 1, 2, 3, 4 seems to be tight. Click there. 5, 4 again. Front still springy. Oh, we've got a tiny bit of core movement there. Oh, nice click and a little core movement again. Oh my god. Wow, that took me about 10 minutes before. Well, I'm going to keep that in frame just so you can see what's inside it. What's that? That's 3.5 minutes with the intro. Wow. Yeah. I'll lock her back up. Wow, I wasn't expecting that. It has shocked me. First Assa on camera. Alright, let's get this clip off. The other side injured me. Not going to be able to shim it because it's still intact. Oh, actually, I can't believe that I opened that quick. This can't have the normal stuff inside it, can't have. Sorry, I'm rushing a bit here as well. got a lot to do today. Got to get in the garden and start laying blocks for the puppy room. Right, let's have a look. And we do have the countermilling in the core. I don't know if you can see that. Stump these out. One standard. Let's give you a better angle. Two standard. Three is also standard. 4 and 5. All standard key pins, no wafers. Well, unless they're stuck in the Bible. Which end was it? Not that end. Right, tweezers. Sorry about the glare, the sun's just decided to come out. Right, here we go. Yeah, barrels just as I thought. Yeah, I think that's going to be the way it is. They're all different sizes depending on the size of the key pin. Typical Assa. I'm not sure why they do that. I think it's to do with bumping. And number 5. Dump them springs out. Don't need that now. There we go. Arrange that. Well, I am well chuffed with that. Yeah, it's only a 5-pinner, but I'm happy with that. There's the key again. Serious high cuts at the back there. Right, thank you very much. Well, that was a way shorter video than I expected. And I'll see you all soon. I will keep trying to make some more content and keep watching, because that 100 subscribers is coming, and I have a little giveaway in mind. So I'll see you all soon. Thank you very much.